So this is the image I'm going to use. So the first thing I'm going to do is to duplicate this layer so we can see the before and after. Right click, duplicate layer. And now in order to blur parts of an image or an object, you need to make selection first. So you can either use, for example, left click, rectangle select, ellipse select, or you can use lasso, polygon, magnetic. So for example, I'm going to select the ellipse tool. I want to blur the face of the person. So let's select the ellipse tool. And now let's create our selection. So here I'm going to move it here like this. So I'm going to feather it by 10 pixels. Press enter. So now go to filter. There are two ways. For example, you can either blur it with a Gaussian blur. So go to blur and then select Gaussian blur. So here it is, and now let's increase the blur radius, and now press OK. And now I'm just going to remove selection, go to select, deselect, so here it is. And now Control Z to undo, Control Z, so we still have our selection. So the Control Z is to undo your actions. So now I'm going to blur it another way, so go to filter. This time, go down to pixelate and then select mosaic. So this will pixelate the image, so as you can see it will make it kind of square shaped. So here, so I'm going to leave it like this, and now let's press OK. And now I'm going to create a new layer. Click on this icon. So now I'm just going to add the red stroke around the selection here. So I can, for example, increase it. So go to select, modify, and then expand. I'm going to expand it by 5 pixels, press enter, and then press OK. And now go to edit, stroke. So now for the size, I will go 15, press enter. The position outside and left click on the color. I'm going to select this red color here, press OK, and then press OK. So here it is, and now go to select, deselect,